A very cheerful morning to all of you. How are you, students? I hope all you are fit and fine at your places, and welcome back to our mathematics class. So students, as you know that we are continuing our chapter number 13, and the name of the chapter is exponents and powers. Okay, so today we will start our video from question number 4 from the exercise 13.1. Okay, so question number 4 is identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the followings. Okay, so we can find the greatest number. Okay, so first part is 4 raised to power 3 or 3 raised to power 4. Which number is greater? 4 raised to power 3 is greater or 3 raised to power 4 is greater? ओके सो फर्स्टली वी कैन फाइंड द एक्सपेंशंस ऑफ द पावर्स. मीन्स हमें क्या है, इनको एक्सपेंड करना पड़ेगा. मीन्स इनकी पावर को हमें एक्सपोनेंशियल नोटेशन में इनको से हमें सिंपल नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. एक्सपोनेंशियल नोटेशन में दिया हुआ है ना, पावर्स में दिया हुआ है हमें, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसकी पावर को हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, खोल के नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सो फर्स्टली तभी हम आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे विच नंबर इज ग्रेटेस्ट. ओके, सो 4 रेज टू पावर 3 और 3 रेज टू पावर 4. यस, so 4 raised to power 3 means expansion of 4 raised to power 3, which means 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. ओके, 4 जो है हमारे पास 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. सो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4 4 ज़ा 16, 16 4 ज़ा 64. ओके, 4 4 ज़ा 16, 16 4 ज़ा 64. Okay, now expansion of 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4 means 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 7 3 is a 21 to 81. Okay, so here 81. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81. So which number is greater, 64 or 81? Now we can clearly says that 81 is greater than 64. Means 3 raised to power 4 is greater than 4 raised to power 3. Okay, now moving on second part. 5 raised to power 3 or 3 raised to power 5. 5 raised to power 3 or 3 raised to power 5. So 5 raised to power 3 means 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5, and 3 raised to power 5 means 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay, the expansion form of 5 raised to power 3 is equals to 125. Now 3 raised to power 5, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81, 81 3 is a 243, 243. So we know that 243 is greater than 125, means 3 raised to power 5 is greater than 5 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 5 जो है वो greater है 5 raised to power 3 से. Okay, now third part is 2 raised to power 8 or 8 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 8 or 8 raised to power 2. So 2 raised to power 8 means 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 को हम 8 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, सो 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 2 ज़ा 16, 16 2 ज़ा 32, 32 2 ज़ा 64, 64 2 ज़ा 4 2 ज़ा 8, 128, 128 2 ज़ा 8 2 ज़ा 16, 2 2 ज़ा 4 plus 1 5, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 256. 2 raised to power 8 is equals to 256, and 8 raised to power 2 means 8 multiplied by 8, so 8 8s are 64. So clearly we can say that 256 is greater than 64. 256 means 2 raised to power 8. 2 raised to power 8 is greater than 8 raised to power 2. Fourth part is 100 raised to power 2 or 2 raised to power 100. Which is greater? Simply 2 raised to power 100 is greater than as compared to 100 raised to power 2, बिकॉज जब 2 को हम 100 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 2 2 2, देखो अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास अगर हम 2 को 8 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तभी हमारे पास 256 आ रहा है. तो जब 2 को हम 100 टाइम्स राइट करके मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास वो है कितना बड़ा नंबर आएगा. तो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट 2 raised to power 100 is greater than as compared to 100 raised to power 2. Okay. Now fifth part is 2 raised to power 10 or 10 raised to power 2. Okay. So 2 raised to power 10 means 2 को हम 10 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 13, 128, 128 2s are 8 2s are 16, 1 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 256 2s are 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 1 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 512 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So 1024. 2 raised to power 10 means 1024. Okay. So 2 raised to power 10 is equals to 1024. Now 10 raised to power 2 means 10 multiplied by 10. So 10 tens are 100. So clearly we can say that 1024 is greater than as compared to 100. So 1024 means 2 raised to power 10 is greater than 10 raised to power 2. Okay. Now moving on, question number 5th. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Okay. हमें यहाँ पे क्या है, नंबर्स गिवन है, हमने क्या करना है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पावर्स का हमने प्रोडक्ट निकालना ऑफ देयर प्राइम फैक्टर्स. मींस प्राइम इनके हमने फर्स्टली इनका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है, हमने इनके फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं जिससे हमें इनकी पावर फॉर्म मिल जाए. सो फर्स्टली 648. So firstly we can find the factors of 648. So 648 taking LCM. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. ओके, मीन्स 648 को जब हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 324. जिनको नहीं ऐसे समझ में आ रहा है वो डिवाइड करके देख लेंगे. 648 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 2 3s are 6, 4, 2 2s are 4, 8, 2 4s are 8, 324. नाउ अगेन 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. नाउ अगेन 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 81. 81 is a odd number, so 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. We can divide by 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1 21, 3 7s are 21. Means 3 से डिविजिबल है. 3 27s are 81. Again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So here 2 2 2, 3 3 3 3. It means 2 raised to power 3 multiply by 3 raised to power 4. Okay, so 648 is equals to 2 raised to power 3 multiply by 3 raised to power 4, which is the answer. Okay, now moving on the next 405. Second part, 405. So 405 is divisible by 3 or not? डिवाइड करके देख लेते हैं. 3 1s are 3, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, 1 5, 3 5s are 15. Yes, 405 firstly divided by 3 and we get 135. Okay, again 3 4s are 12, 1 3 5s are 15. Again 3 1s are 3, 1 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, so we get 3 raised to power 1 2 3 4, 3 raised to power 4 and 5 is only 1 times, so 5. 3 raised to power 4 multiply by 5. Okay, now third part is 540. 540 is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 7s are 14, 0. Again 2 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 5s are 10. Okay, so now 135 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 1s are 3, 1 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So we get 2 how many times? 1 2, only 2 times, and multiply by 3, 1 2 3, 3 raised to power 3 and multiply by 5. Okay, means to say that 2 जो है हमारे पास 2 times है and 3 जो है हमारे पास 3 times है and 5 was only 1 time. So 2 raised to power 2 multiply by 3 raised to power 3 multiply by 5. Okay, now again next is 3600. 3600. So 2 1s 2, 1 remainder, 3 8s are 16, 0 0. Again 2 से करके देख लेंगे. 2 9s are 18, 0 0. Again 2 4s are 8, 1 remainder आ जाएगा. 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder. 2 5s are 10. Now 225 is not divisible by 2. So 225 we can check is divisible by 3 or not. 3 7s are 21, 1 5, 3 5s are 15. Yes, 75. Okay, now next again 3 2s are 6, 1 3 5s are 15. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So we get 2 3 and 5. So 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4, 2 raised to power 4 multiply by 3, 3 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 2. Okay, so next is question number 6. सिंप्लीफाई करना है हमने. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2 multiply by 10 raised to power 3. मीन्स इनको हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? 2 multiply by 10 raised to power 3 मीन्स एक्सपेंशन फॉर्म में निकालना पड़ेगा. सो 2 into 10 raised to power 3 मीन्स 2 as it is only 1 time, and 10 raised to power 3 means 10 how many times? 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, so 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 0 0 0 0 0 1, 1000. 2 multiply by 1000 equals to 2000. So 2 into 10 raised to power 3 is equals to 2000. This is the simplification. Okay, simple form है ये हमारे पास. So now next is 7 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 2. 7 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 2 means 7 2 times and 2 also 2 times. 7 7s are 49, 2 2s are 4, so 49 multiply by 4, 9 4s are 36. Okay, 3 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 196. Okay, so next is 2 raised to power 3 multiply by 5. 2 raised to power 3 multiply by 5 means 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Clear? Now fourth is 3 into 4 raised to power 4. So 3 into 4 raised to power 4 means 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 4s are 4 4s are 16. 24 plus 1 25. 256. 256 multiply by 3. मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 3 के साथ. सो 18 15 plus 1 16. 1 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7. 768. Okay. Now fifth is 0 multiply by 10 raised to power 2. अब 0 को हम चाहे जिस मर्जी नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें तो उसका आंसर कितना आता है, 0 ही आता है. ओके. Now remaining part, try yourself, that is your homework. Okay students, so that's all for today. Thank you. God bless you. Have a great day.